Features V brake pads for M600 and M570 M70T3. Includes cartridge-style pads. Hardware is not included. Comes with LX level brake pads. Comes with LX level brake pads. Top reviews from the United States. As advertised. Bought 2 sets of brake pads to replace the front and back brakes on a Trek Navigator 300. Installation went with a problem and the braking power is noticeably better. These replacement brake pads offer a little more braking surface than the originals and I noticed the difference. There is a lot of options out there on the internet, but you can't go wrong with Shimano parts.